Simple pendulum. A simple pendulum consists of a metal bob suspended by a light inextensible string from a fixed point. Let us now get familiar with the terms that we come across while learning a simple pendulum. The length of a simple pendulum is the distance from the point of suspension to the center of gravity of the bob. The resting position B of the pendulum is known as the mean position. One complete to and fro movement of a pendulum about its mean position is known as an oscillation or vibration. The maximum displacement of the pendulum from its mean position is called amplitude. The time taken for one oscillation is known as the time period. To show that the time period of a pendulum varies with the length of the pendulum, tie the hook of a bob to one end of a twine. Clamp the other end firmly between the gap of a split cork that is fixed to the clamp of a retort stand as shown here. Measure the length L from the middle of the bob to the lower edge of the split cork. Mark on the table the mean position of the pendulum as a reference point. Pull the bob to one side and allow it to oscillate. Use a stop clock to record the time T taken to complete 10 oscillations. Now calculate the time taken for one oscillation. Repeat the experiment for different lengths. Plot a graph with T on x-axis and L on y-axis. The graph is a curve. This graph shows that the time period varies with the length of the pendulum.